Alright, today we are going to work on character sheets. And first and foremost, character sheets are used for modeling. It's basically what the concept artist gives to the modeler so that they have a good idea of exactly what they need to model. And so today we're going to talk about character sheets. So the first thing I always see wrong with character sheets is the anatomy. Most people, when they're drawing the character, they completely neglect the anatomy, and that's the biggest struggle I see with character sheets. So when you're doing character sheets, you want to make sure the anatomy is basically good to go. Always draw an underlayer of anatomy, and there's tons of references. Don't not use a reference. When you're out there, and references are a key point in any artistic project. The next issue I always see, character sheets are about orthographics. Top, bottom, left, right, front, back. And oftentimes I see characters that have, you see the tops of the feet, so like you're looking down at them. And this is from a photo reference versus from an actual mechanical reference. So when you're doing a character sheet, it's okay to use a 3D character to put it as an underlying base. The next issue I always see is lining up the orthographic views. Oftentimes I see that the character proportions don't line up, things don't look right. Make sure that your head lines up with your head and your chin lines up with your chin, so on and so forth. I have a good video over here if you want to take a look, and I'll put the link in the description as well. Another issue I always see is layering of clothing. Oftentimes when you're building a character, you're so worried about the design of the character and trying to get the assignment done and things like that, that you're not really thinking about how clothing layers on top of each other. I often see that, someone wearing pants has skin-tight outfits, and it's just a struggle that they're not developing layers of clothing and thicknesses to the things they have. A belt is completely even with the waist, or ammo sash is completely sitting right on top of everything else. So there's no depth to the character from a clothing standpoint. And one of the biggest issues that I see is not putting enough exploded views. Oftentimes they give them elaborate pouches or elaborate weapons or basically very technical aspects. And the issue basically leads into that's the only visual aspect of it you see. So having an exploded view, a left, right, front, top of something additional, having exploded views of those parts are a key component of character sheets and turnaround sheets. I know this is a very short list, but it's oftentimes things that I see wrong with character sheets. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask, as always. And if you like this, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button. Otherwise, just come look at my website and see what I have new and interesting on there. All right, have a good day,